Hi, today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete your Instagram account permanently in just few steps. So first of all, go to your Instagram app and click on Instagram. After opening Instagram, just click on the your profile option at the bottom, and after clicking your profile button, then you will see a menu bar at the top. Just click that menu bar option and new options will be there for you. Now over here click on the account center, password, security, personal details, add preferences. Just click this button at the top. After clicking this, now you have to click on personal details button at the bottom. Just click on personal details to go next. Now over here you have to select the account ownership and control, the bottom option, account ownership and control. You have to click that. After clicking that, now page open, account ownership and control. From here you have to click on deactivate or deletion. So if you want to deactivate your account or you want to permanently delete your account, you have to click this option, deactivation or deletion. So we want to delete our account permanently, we will click on this button, deactivation or deletion. After clicking this, now you have to select your account. So if you are having multiple account on Instagram, then it will ask you which account you want to delete. So just click on the account which you want to delete, and after clicking it, it will move you to next step of deletion. So just select your account which you want to delete for now. So I'm going to click on the account which I want to delete right now. After clicking the account, now you have to select the reason, like you want to deactivate it or you want to delete it permanently. So you can just read all the details given by them. So over here I want to delete my Instagram account permanently, and when you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. And after clicking delete account option, now they will ask for a reason, like deleting your Instagram account, why you are deleting your Instagram account. So you can select any of the reason you want to select. So it's up to you, it's nothing more than just an option. Just select any of the option you want to select and just move on to next step. So I'm clicking on too many ads and other stuff and just click continue. Now just select the advertisement option, continue, and that's it. Now it will ask you for the Instagram account password which you want to delete. So it's necessary step, and after entering the password, click continue. Now here you can see confirm permanent account deletion. Now if you click delete account, your account will be finally permanently deleted. Yeah, my account has been deleted and I have been logged out from the Instagram and I have been switched to my new account. So it's my another account, so they have just automatically signed me in that account. So this is a super simple process through which you can just delete your Instagram account. I hope so you like this video. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.